Hi everyone, it's been a few months since I completed my custom Lego PC case, and I remember people being worried about the heat of the processor and the GPU melting bricks and deforming them and things like that. Well, I have to say there have been no issues like that. Everything is still very stable, no fires, and even the dust hasn't gotten much deep inside thanks to the dust covers and everything. But I did decide to give it an upgrade. A very essential upgrade. Yes, I'm being sarcastic. But it's still a nice upgrade and I'm gonna show you how it works. First, we move this lever and then we can see that something is moving inside. So, let's have a look what's moving inside. Well, it's a hamster. The hamster is chugging along nicely. So, what's the story behind this? Well, I got the creator set with the two hamsters and the wheel and the little house and everything for my birthday. And as soon as I finished building it, I kind of realized that I could literally put it inside the unused empty space inside my PC. And well, I did. So, how does it work? First, there is a power function switch here, and it is wired to the 5-volt power supply and to the power functions L motor, which is driving the whole thing. If we remove the top cover, you can see that there's the whole thing inside, not just the wheel, but the entire house with a little slide and the water tank for the hamster to drink. So everything has been basically placed inside. And if we remove the rear cover, or should I say side cover, we can see that the motor is driving these gears. So it's driving an 8-tooth gear, which is driving 24-tooth gear, which is driving the 40-tooth gear. So the entire wheel is spinning 5 times slower than the drive motor. And thanks to the 5-volt power supply, the motor is driving, spinning nice and slow and quietly, which is very important for a PC. So this is a very silly yet fun little project I did. I hope you like it, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you, have a nice day.